Big one.
And don't be fighting over
Lana,
it,
stop.
drop it in the water.
Don't drop that in the water. Get it away from the water.
Yo, give me my phone.
Look,
Don't let me help you.
That was awesome.
You missed the whole thing. Leanna, stop. Uh-huh.
Oh, you're recording it?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna have to stand up a little bit. I didn't say fall down.
I'm not falling again.
There it is. Arca.
I can hear people screaming.
Look at the ducks. See the ducks?
No. Never will. Too close.
It's the boom.
boo girl. It's okay, baby. Oh, she's got her toy.
Oh, and that's nice.
Toy.
Look at there.
Nah.
That was wild.
They probably think it's duck hunting.
There's two more over here fixing to take off.
No, a little bit more.
All right, that's it. Time to go.
Nuh-uh.
Grand finale.
That. Oh, wait. So you can really see the colors.
Stop it!
Wow.
Oh, that's neat. What they can do with fireworks. Are you watching the fireworks, baby girl?
You should see a smiley face here. Oh, here we go.
Oh, that's the big one.
There we go.
Oh!
Woo!
Shut up, enjoy the show.
That one's still dark.
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing 90. Oh, here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Some big ones going up.
It's only been 3 minutes. It's only been 3 minutes.
Wow.
It's only been like 5 minutes before it's been 3 minutes, but okay, whatever.
Oh, that was.
Oh.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Oh.
Yo.
We can't go out for no boat ride. Want it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
At least for a little while.
Yeah, we'll just take a little small cruise.
Are you okay?
Oh, wait. I'm gonna have to zoom out for these. Oh, no.
Oh.
There
Did you see him?
Yeah. Oh.
Did you see the smiley face?
Yeah. Oh, that would look like a taco, no offense.
Yeah.
IRL, this is way better than camera. No offense to the camera, but Wow. I'm not even getting it.
Oh, wow.
You could actually get the good ones. Hold on.
Oh, definitely. That was a smiley face. It was upside down now.
I'm probably blinding you guys with the light. Can you guys see it, kind of? Yeah. I should. Oh, too much, too much, too much. Oh, whoa, this is amazing. Oh, this is amazing.
There we go.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah. So you guys can see a little bit. There's a few more. Wait, I'm about to zoom out for that one. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, here we go. I've seen a big one going up. Oh, that's neat.
I want another smiley face to go eye off.
Looks like they're coming right at you, don't they?
Yeah.
Daddy said.
Them's the ones I like. They went all the way to the water.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah,
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that.
reverberate.
There it is. That looked like a dandelion.
Big old willow tree. Oh, I like that.
Oh, hell yeah.
You can just hear people screaming in the background.
I would love to be like
America! Oh!
Oh wait. Oh. Aha.
I keep seeing
Now these ones are pretty. Pretty.
Probably a crocodigator.
piranhas in fresh water.
I said crocodigator.
Pikes.
Wow.
Pikes.
La 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 la.
That one. I think that one.
That was a fluke.
That wasn't supposed to be that.
No.
What'd you say? Those were very.
Oh, I love them right there.
Those ones are all.
Vibration on everything.
Oh, poor dog.
That's in big cannons, Mike.
Poor
Yeah, I
dog.
know, I
I
love
can't even see her, but for
Oh, you're gonna feel it
him,
in your chest.
oh, it's really dark. It's really dark.
Oh, that's cool.
Looks like a waterfall.
I think these are. Oh.
Watching fireworks.
Very scary.
Pretty awesome what they got.
I think this is the grand finale.
Here. That was a good one.
They're flying a kite.
Watching the fireworks.
She is. They're going crazy now.
I like that
Going crazy now.
Looks like it was. That was a good sound on that. Oh, look, it's still falling. Bam! Hit the water.
I'm gonna go up there and find one.
Mm.
Yeah, that's it. I go. I'm going. That was the grand finale right there.
But I thought we were gonna go around the lake one more time.
No.
Yup, we're going home. Back up, guys.
Here's your